Boy, watch my joke. Funnier than my catch today.
Middle of the sea and still nothing. Maybe the fish also increased their prices. They say there are plenty of fish in the sea. Mom, maybe they're all on vacation today. Son, I've been here for hours. I think the fish went to the market instead of me. You see me here in the middle of the ocean. Even the fish are practicing social distancing. You think fishing is easy? Then why don't you try catching dinner with this empty net? Thank you for watching. Please support this old man's YouTube channel.